Crusoe. Ooh. Yeah, what I was saying before. Oh, well, first of all, thanks for tuning into my channel, everyone. I full on appreciate it. I would like to teach Mega. I'd like to teach everyone I can. So if you're watching, thank you very much. And I hope you take it on board. What I was saying before is, yeah, I made a stuff up. I actually cut that wrong and then I chipped it. So, but hey, you just cut another one. No biggie. No biggie. It's gonna end up a nice bathroom, this. Right, where's my marker? I like to use a piece of tile instead of a tape, but hey, use what you like. It's all good. So we're going down there. I actually need to rest it on so I get the exact height of it. But if I am out a little bit, people, if I am a little bit out there, see those small chips there? What I do, and I've showed you before, but if you're new to Crusoe's channel, I always bring my aluminium out a mil and a half. I just have it a little bit proud, and it's called the Quirk, and then I silicone around it, and it hides all that small chipping, and if it was slightly out here it would hide that as well. You don't need to go out and buy a wet saw. You can do it with a grinder, but it's a lot of mucking around. How you don't have chips when you just use a grinder is you mark it, score it on your cutter, and then you just stay away, just like paper thickness away from your line, and it slightly chips and you buff it out. That's if you're going to do a mitre. But I don't go in for mitres. I don't like mitres. Years ago it was all mitres, because they didn't have the trims that you have now. They're all coloured. Years ago they used to be all plastic, and it was one colour, and that was white. Okay, have I got that right? I better check that. I'm busy talking. Right, it's that way. If in doubt, always just measure twice, people. Yep. Okay, so it's that way, there like that. That's the height. Good one.